I'm just gonna keep recording. This is part 2. Yeah, they took it into consideration that people were sitting over here, so they angled them. See, they go up to a certain height, and it's the pressure that makes them explode. But if they don't explode under pressure, they always have a fuse.
And they just go really high.
If they didn't have a fuse, and it was just pressure, then if it like fell over, it'd be going like for miles until it ran out of fuel.
That's how high they're supposed to.
Yeah.
But like when those go, those are the fastest.
Yeah.
Like this or something. This cannot be good for the environment.
No. Trying to stay environment free here. Well, no, because every single piece that you see that goes out, that's still falling back to the ground. So all that crap is going into our air. You never know, 2 days later you could smell something funny. I'm gonna laugh if it hits that plane. And it like goes down.
No, it's too far down.
Dude, that'd be an awesome airline to be on. Because you'd see the fireworks.
Yeah. Suck. They're like, can I get you some water?
Yeah, can I get you some water?
Like,
Boom, 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 boom.
they're like, can I get you some water? Yeah, can I have a bottle? Here's some mine. It's like, no, we only have cups. It's like, what the heck? I know, just give it me out of the bottle.
I'm surprised how much recording time I have. Man, it would suck to live in those buildings with a baby. There's 3 that time. Or... oh, there's 1 this time.
That's about the end. Whoa, that's the fuse going off, eh?
Yeah.
Or some of them
That
just go
looks,
up
do you hear
higher.
that girl say that? Girl's like, it looks like it's coming at us.
That one does.
Did Shrek.
Yeah.
That's so pretty. Not.
It looks like hair.
Yeah.
Or a plant. Or a carrot.
Carrot.
Are you with your dad tomorrow?
We're with our dad overnight.
We're going to COP tomorrow.
What are you going to see?
COP for biking.
Oh, dude, look at that. It looks like a bunch of explosions.
That looks so cool on the camera.
I know. Everything looks weird on the camera.